Hotel to sidewalk. Well, since my baby left me, I found a new place to dwell. It's down at the end of Lonely Street in Heartbreak Hotel. Where I'll be so lonely, baby. I'll be so lonely. I'll be so lonely I can die. Well, the parties keep flowing, the desk clerks dressed in black. They've been so long on Lonely Street, they never look back. They'll be so lonely, baby. They'll be so lonely. They'll be so lonely I can die. You ain't on but hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't on but hound dog, crying all the time. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit, you ain't no friend of mine. You ain't none but a hound dog, jumping on my door. You ain't none but a hound dog, crying all the time. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit, you ain't no friend of mine. I'm all shook up, yeah. Well, bless my soul, what's wrong with me? I'm itching like a man on a fuzzy tree. My hands am acting wild, so bug I'm in love. I'm all shook up, yeah. My hands are shaking, my knees are weak. I can't seem to stand on my own 2 feet. Who do you think when you've had such luck? I'm in love. I'm all shook up, yeah. Well, please don't ask me what's on my mind. And I'm a little mixed up, but I'm feeling fine. When I'm with a girl that I love best, my heart beats so it scared me to death. She touched my hand, what a chill I got. Her lips are like the volcano that's hot. I'm proud to say that she's my buttercup. I'm in love. I'm all shook up, yeah, I'm all shook up. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, a bit of 1968 for you, Mr. Elvis Presley. And I know some of you are looking, he doesn't half sound like Elvis. Alright then, you're thinking, he looks like Elvis in the hamburger years, aren't you, son? yeah, unfortunately. Right, we are going to move on for you. We are going to do